So Namaste and welcome to Flint India. I am Jagjot Bhalla and today we are diving into the exciting world of work and study opportunities in Germany. So if you are an Indian student planning to study or work in Germany, or if you're already studying there and thinking about your next steps, this video is just for you. We'll explore the types of visas available, key requirements like work experience and salary thresholds, and how you can apply for a residence permit if you have a specific language skill. Plus, I'll be sharing detailed PDFs of the visa processes for each type. So let's get started. So as we know, हमें पता है कि Germany offers fantastic opportunities for students and professionals alike. Whether you're looking for a work in Germany after studying in India or you're currently in Germany and planning your next move, understanding the right visa is crucial. So let's break it down. First up, the EU Blue Card. ये सबसे famous है. The EU Blue Card is a fantastic option for skilled workers. So if you have a university degree and a job offer in Germany, this card could be a gateway to living and working there. So here's what you need to know about the EU Blue Card. First of all, you must hold a recognized university degree. You need a job offer with a salary of at least 56,800 euros per year. For high demand fields like IT, the salary threshold is lower, around 44,304 euros per year. अब जो high demand fields हैं, जिसको हम bottleneck fields भी बोलते हैं, इसमें जो salary का जो threshold है, उसको कम कर दिया जाता है, again, which is 44,304 euros. So if you're going for a job that is in general category, then you need 56,800. But अगर आप bottleneck position के लिए जा रहे हो, 44,304 will do. So the next point is again a very important point. The EU Blue Card is essentially issued for the duration of your work contract plus 3 months. अगर आपका work contract 2 साल का है, तो आपको 2 साल 3 महीने का EU Blue Card मिलता है. वो 3 महीने का grace period लेके चलते हैं. So if you have a 2-year work contract, you will receive a 2-year EU Blue Card with an additional 3 months. So it is valid for up to 4 years and it can be renewed multiple times. After 33 months, as per the recent updates, once you reach 33 months in Germany on your EU Blue Card or 21 months, and if you have a B1 level German proficiency, you can apply for a permanent residency. So if you have a 1-year job contract, अगर 1 साल का job contract है, you will get a blue card for 1 year and 3 months, जिसको आप later extend contract renew होता है या जब आप job change करते हो, तो आपका contract की length होगी, उसी के according आपको blue card मिलता है. Let's say अगर आपका contract 4 साल का है, तो आपको 4 साल का ही blue card मिलेगा. उस केस में आपको 4 साल 3 महीने का नहीं मिलेगा, because the maximum length of a blue card is 4 years. ठीक है? So now let's discuss the employment visa. Again, a very solid option if the EU Blue Card doesn't fit your situation. So it's designed basically for non-EU nationals with a job offer in Germany. Here's what you need to know. You need a valid job offer and a recognized qualification. Your employer must prove that they couldn't find a suitable candidate in Germany or the EU. So this is something extra that your employer has to go through in this particular case. कि उसको prove करना पड़ेगा कि उसको suitable candidate नहीं मिला Germany या EU में. That's why he or she is hiring you. So the next point is the employment visa is typically issued for the duration of your employment, just like EU Blue Card. Contract plus a few extra months. EU Blue Card में हमें जैसे 3 महीने extra मिलते हैं. यहाँ पे it is not clearly mentioned हमें कितना visa extend हमें मिलेगा. So we can consider कि let's say for instance if you have a 2-year contract, so your visa that you will be issued will be of about 2 years and 3 months or 4 months. तो 3-4 महीने का extension आपको इसमें भी मिलता है. So this visa is great for starting your career in Germany, even if you're not in high demand field or don't meet the salary threshold for the EU Blue Card. For those still looking for a perfect job, the job seeker visa is an excellent choice. So it allows you to enter Germany and search for a job. Here's what you need to know. You must have a university degree or an equivalent qualification. जो qualification है, जो Germany का education system है, वो उसके equivalent होनी चाहिए, जो भी आपकी qualification है. You need to provide proof of sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay. जैसे कि students के लिए blocked account होता है, यहाँ पे भी हमें proof of funds show करना पड़ेगा if you are going for a job seeker visa. The visa typically is valid for up to 6 months. So आप 6 महीने जर्मनी में रह के एक जॉब अपने लिए सर्च कर सकते हो. So once you find a job that meets the blue card or employment visa criteria, अब मान लो आपका जो salary threshold है वो reach हो रहा है, that is exceeding the EU blue card threshold requirements, then you are eligible to switch to the appropriate work visa. So here's an important note for those who are already studying in Germany or planning to study in Germany. So if you are already in Germany and have a B1 or A1 German language proficiency, it can significantly impact your visa applications. For instance, if you have a B1 German, अगर आपके पास B1 German सर्टिफिकेट है, you can apply for a permanent residency with the EU Blue Card after just 21 months instead of 33 months. तो अगर आपके पास B1 है, you can apply for an EU Blue Card after just 21 months. अगर नहीं है, अगर उससे कम प्रोफिशिएंसी में हो जर्मन में, then you'll have to wait till 33 months. 33 months भी उसी केस में है, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट होना मैंडेटरी है प्रोफिशिएंसी का. So again a very important point कि if you're transitioning from a student visa to a work visa, make sure to apply for a residence permit before your student visa expires. So you'll need to provide proof of your new job offer and meet the visa requirements. अब जो इसकी requirements रहेंगी उसके लिए I'll be attaching a detailed PDF of the visa processes for EU Blue Card, employment visa and job seeker visa in the description below. These PDFs will provide step-by-step instructions and additional details to help you through the application process. If you need any help with your application or have any questions, feel free to reach me out at jagjot@flintindia.com, or you may also send me a WhatsApp message at 99182 country code लगाना ना भूलना अगर आप इंडिया के बाहर से मैसेज कर रहे हो, that is +91. I am here to guide you with every step, and if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Flint India for more such tips on studying and working abroad. Drop your questions in the comments below. We love to hear from you, and I know कि इस वीडियो में हमने सिर्फ ऊपर से कवर किया, हमने ज्यादा इन डेप्थ डिस्कशंस नहीं किए हैं, बट एज आई मेंशन माय कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, यू मे हिट मी अ मैसेज और ईमेल मी एंड आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू असिस्ट यू विद एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्टडीइंग इन जर्मनी and working in Germany. So until next time, best of luck with your German adventure. So that was all for today, and auf Wiedersehen. See you in the next video.